Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to access and take a look at your Citibank statements. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. So if you haven't already, you're going to go ahead and be opening up citi.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and open up the application that you have downloaded. So once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the homepage and now we can get started. The first thing we need to do is to log into our account that we want to check the statements for. So here you can go ahead and log in. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is open an account. If you have one, just didn't activate it online, you can use the activate button right here. So once you have done setting up your account, now we can get started logging in. So you can go ahead and log in right here. And once you have done so, you're going to go and be greeted by the dashboard. Your dashboard is going to go ahead and be able to show you your balance, your payments, and so on. And now we can get started with accessing our statements. And how do we do so? Well, it's very easy. And here we have the step-by-step on the official Citibank. So what are we going to do? You have the steps for the application right here, as well as they're going to be similar. But if you're on Citi Online, like we are right here, you're going to go and sign in, like I just showed you, and then select services from the top menus. In the top menu, once you've signed in, there is going to be a services tab. Then you can select my profile. From there, you're going to enter your one-time PIN when prompted, and then select statements and notices from the left-hand menu. Once you have selected that option from the left-hand menu, you're going to click view and download statements, and then choose the account you would like to see the statements for and the time period, and then you can find all the statements for that time period for up to 7 years worth of statements in the past. So it's easy as that. For the Citi mobile app, you have the steps right here. You're going to go to statements in the account settings, then you can choose your account and get started with looking at your statements, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.